Today we'll be unboxing Finding Mokoko from Popland. So this is a series that I have not seen anyone unbox in India at least. So yeah, you can get them from Angel Case. She's like she has a page on Instagram, and you can DM her. And when next time when she goes to Thailand or Malaysia or wherever she goes, she can get a box for you. So that's how I got my box. So yeah, that's Finding Mokoko. It's a series where you get all of these designs. You can either like it's a mix of all designs, all the figurines that are popular from Pop Mart. So you can either get a Demu or a Skull Panda, either a Molly, Hirono, or I don't know what this is. So then you can even get a Labubu or a Sweet Bean. This is Demu, and this is Pino Jelly, and this is Crybaby, and there's the secret that's Mopoko. So I'm not hoping for a secret, but I do want a Skull Panda, and I want this really bad because she is really pretty in the series, and you'll get this design only in this series, Finding Coco. So that's the box. So it shakes, not much, but it feels heavy and shakes. That is how the box looks. This is the box. Let's open it up and see what I get. Let's see what I get. I think it's a skull panda. I don't know. I think it's a skull panda, and it's a very wide bag. Let's see what I get. So no, it's not a skull panda, but it's a nice one. It's Demo. So many people like Demo. I have mixed feeling about this one, but nevertheless, it's a very cute one. So yeah, it looks very pretty. It has like shimmery glitters all over him, and he looks like a fairy. He's having like a tail. He's like flying on the clouds, and he has wings, and he looks cute. This one looks like a bunny, though I don't know. And the bunny looks like a labubu. I don't know why it looks like a labubu, but it looks really dangerous from the side. And that's Timu, probably on his way to find Mokoko. So yeah, I got a Timu in this one. Let's check out the card and what it says. I think it comes with accessory. This one comes with an accessory, as I said. Yeah, you have to actually place it. It's a very bulky figurine. No wonder it was not shaking that well. So that is Dimu, and that is his card. Let's just show you what the card looks like. That is the card, Follow the Light. So he's following the light most probably to find Mokoko, and the card looks really like normal, decent size, and it says Finding Mokoko on the other side, and it's a Dimu. And yeah, it looks really nice. So the card looks nice, and he looks very cute. He looks very different from the other figurines I have. This figurine has like a sun here and probably a moon here. So he's traveling through the universe to find Mokoko, and this is supposed to be the light that he's following. A Labubu bunny sort of a light. That's so yeah. He looks like a Greek god, Dimu, and he's going through the fiery clouds. It looks like that from his dress, and he's running so fast that his dress is lighting up with red and yellow light, and he's like wearing a cloud hat, I suppose, and he looks really like a Greek god. So yeah, that's my interpretation for this one. And this is how he looks from all sides. He looks really cute, and he's like going so fast that he has burned his wings, moth wings or butterfly wings, whatever you call it. And yeah, that's Demo from Finding Mokoko. So that is what I got from Finding Mokoko series. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comments section below what figurine you got in your latest unboxing. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.